In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Google Keep. Indenting in Google Keep lets you turn a simple checklist into a clear, structured list with sub-items. Think of it as nesting-related tasks under a main heading, so everything stays tidy and easy to scan. This is especially helpful for things like grocery lists, where you want categories with items underneath, day-to-day to-dos that break into smaller actions, or project steps that have supporting tasks. On a PC, whether you're using Google Keep in your browser or through a desktop environment, start by opening the list note you want to organize. Make sure you're working in a checklist note so each line is an item you can move. Find the line you want to turn into a sub-item. Hover your mouse over that line, click it, and gently drag it a little to the right. You don't need a big movement, just a small nudge does the trick. When you release the mouse, it will snap into place as an indented sub-item under the item above it. If it doesn't seem to indent, try dragging horizontally first rather than moving it up or down, and watch for the subtle shift to the right that shows it's nesting. If you change your mind or put something in the wrong spot, it's just as easy to undo. Click the indented item and drag it slightly back to the left. Release, and it returns to the main level. This left-right motion is the quickest visual way to promote or demote an item in your list without losing your place. If you prefer to work from the keyboard, you can indent and outdent even faster. Click into the item so your cursor is on that line, then press Ctrl plus the right bracket key to indent. That's Ctrl plus says. To move an item back out to the main level, press Ctrl plus the left bracket key, Ctrl plus. These shortcuts apply instantly to the active line, making it easy to keep typing and structure your list as you go without touching the mouse. What does indenting actually do? It creates a nested relationship, turning the indented lines into subtasks. Visually, it groups related items, which makes long lists more readable and keeps you focused. For example, you might have produce as a main item with apples and spinach indented beneath it, or a project phase with its individual actions tucked underneath. That's all you need to organize your lists with indentation in Google Keep. Drag right to indent and left to undo, or use Ctrl plus, pause, and Ctrl plus.